Howdy folks, just out here about ready to pull in and get the Mega Cab. So kind of nervous, see how she turned out. I don't know, just like I said, kind of nervous. Hopefully she's straight and true and goes down the road straight and we'll be all happy, but I don't know, I just don't have the best of luck with things. So anyways, we'll pull in here and see where she is. So anyways, oh look, there's another one. I bet she's gonna be stretching. So there's that truck, and oh, there she is. Look at that. You already hooked up the goose for me and all that. So anyways, I guess probably just stop this here and catch back up and show you guys some more footage here in a minute. But anyways, be right back with you. Alright, so about an hour later, picked her up down at Les Schwab, getting an alignment. Pulled the Super Duty down on the gooseneck with it. I was going to pull the Mega Cab back on there, but then I'd have to mess with those pallets and yeah, so all that. So just here getting an alignment. I don't know, I guess more of just a sanity check, but I don't know, I think this tech in here's having an off day, or he doesn't know what the hell he's doing because he's keeps trying to, I don't know, it's just a disaster. The guy moving the thing back and forth on the rack and keeps forgetting to set the parking brake and put it in gear. It's like he didn't know what to do with the manual transmission. He pulled it out of there and left the damn e-brake on the whole way, and the brakes were squealing. So anyways, let's take a peek at what we got going on here. So anyways, drive straight down the road pretty much, maybe a little bit of pull, but it might be just the road. So we'll see. I'm gonna obviously put some good miles on it here, and then we'll see what this alignment comes back with and go from there. So anyways, I'll catch up with you later. Alright folks, back this evening, back here at the house, and just got done with the drive, and yeah, so there she is, the MegaLong. Yeah, no real issues. Slight vibration, I think on the drive shaft under load between 70 and about 77 miles an hour, but other than that, I haven't found any other issues with the work yet. But yeah, I don't know, kind of exciting. Gosh, she's a long sucker, I'll tell you, but a lot of, I mean, she rides real nice, but gosh, this thing's a turd. These engines are so detuned on these, it's insane. Like the old Power Stroke would run laps around this girl with you know how detuned it is. So anyways, but yeah, so I'll try and maybe give a couple more little things here before I conclude this one. But basically, I'd bought this big tank. It's a 62 gallon for a crew long, and I talked to a guy who had a MegaLong at a it was a gas station right back in January, and he said he had one of these under there on his. So, but I don't know how you could do it. So anyway, so it's not in there. The guy who did the fab work, he couldn't see how it would even fit. But anyway, so that's something else to figure out. And then I got to figure out some wiring stuff in the back. For some reason, didn't have to splice the factory wiring harness at all. There was enough length there actually, but for some reason the tailgate, I don't know, maybe there's a middle adapter connector between the wiring harness and the tailgate plug, so my camera's not working, but I gotta look at that. Yeah, again, actually, and then I gotta get a plug in the bed put in. I gotta do that, get the bed sprayed, get it Line-X'd or Rhino lined or something, Raptor liner, and yeah, that's that. So just get this thing off of here and call it a night. So I'll check in, I guess, later and kind of give you guys some footage once I get inside and under the shop. I'll probably add this into this video, but yeah, so I'll do some shots of what the fabrication work looks like down below really well. So with that said, I'll wrap this piece up now, and then I guess the next thing you guys will see is me under there. So talk to you later.